All right, I want to welcome you to another Savings Highway Global review. And I think I've got one today that's going to benefit everybody because what we're going to be talking about is savings, okay? Having your own savings portal, right? Say, first of all, you'll be saving up to from 20 to 75% on travel, cruises, hotels, and vacations. We have over 1 million hotel rooms, travel savings in 141 plus countries. $1,500 condo weeks for only $300, savings on cruises and car rentals, unlimited savings, no blackout dates, over $90 million in savings and growing for our, of course, for our members. Like owning a 20,000, it's just like owning a $20,000 timeshare. Enjoy unlimited savings, over 1 billion in inventory. So we got a lot to talk about today. Now this is just one, uh, just to give you an idea. If you look here at your Ritz Carlton Key Biscayne in Miami, excuse me, that's over 60% off. And then, of course, your Four Seasons is 53% off. And then, of course, your National Hotels over 40. This is savings in your pocket. This is the benefit of having your own portal. Let's go down one more. If we talk about condos, get $1,500 a week of condos at only $200 per week. Now, here's just a couple of examples here. This is your Driftwood uh, World Gate Resort, and that's in how do you pronounce it? Kimmsey, Florida, and then of course in Orlando, Florida, at the World Mark Orlando Kings Reef, $256 a week. That's not bad when you're talking about condos. There's much, much more. So we also have on your savings a point of discount on car rentals. You've got discount on cruises, right? Of course, on flights and hotels. And then, of course, what we want to do is we look forward to providing you with more information on how you can save more on a travel by having your own travel savings portal.